Hello! Welcome back to my art tutorial series where I will take you through how to draw each part of the human anatomy. Today, the topic is heads. The human head is one of the most important things to get right when drawing any character. Because we humans are always seeing other people's heads, we can tell immediately when a drawing of a head is bad. In order to create believable and appealing characters, the head must be drawn with the correct proportions. Today, I will walk you through some simple rules when drawing a head. If you remember these rules while drawing your heads, then you will definitely improve with your art. The front view. When drawing the front view, I always start with a basic oval. I draw a line down the middle to indicate the center of the head. The halfway point between the top of the head and the bottom of the chin indicates the placement of the eyes. Yes, the eyes are lower than where you think they should be. The halfway point between the eyes and the chin is where the nose is. And the halfway point between the nose and the chin is where the mouth will be. Above the eyes sit the eyebrows. The ears are between the eyebrows and the nose. And if you take the length between the nose and the eyes and put it on top of the eyebrows, you will locate a hairline for your character. If you're giving your character hair, this is where you start drawing it. Also, hair naturally puffs up, so when you draw hair, be sure to give it some space on the top of the head. The side view. For the side view, the placement of the facial features are generally the same. The ears are in the middle of the head, between the front of the face and the back of the head, and the face is not flat. The forehead comes out slightly at the brow, the nose is like a triangle attached to the front of the face, and the mouth also protrudes slightly, like so. The rear view. Some notable things about the rear view. The bottom of the skull stops halfway from the top of the head to the bottom of the chin. This is usually where the neck starts. When drawing the back view, never forget the trapezius muscles. The three-quarter view. The three-quarter view is pretty straightforward. Just combine the general rules of the front and side views and apply them, and you should be able to create a believable drawing of the head. Using references. What better way is there to improve at art than by using references? I like to use references to practice my drawing because it is a great way to develop my skills. By using references and applying these basic rules over and over, I can streamline my artistic process. Here, I'll draw a front view, a side view, and a three-quarter view head using references. As you can see, I'm still applying those rules and those guidelines in my drawings. While these drawings are not entirely accurate, I do gain a better understanding of where facial features lie on the head, as well as how each element informs the other. Different shaped heads. The great thing about this technique of drawing heads is that you can apply it to all sorts of different shapes and still come out with a decent looking head. Although not realistic, these heads look appealing because they are grounded in reasonable proportions. As you become better at drawing heads, you will be able to exaggerate proportions however you want, creating all sorts of wacky and interesting looking heads. So, by remembering these rules and practicing them with references, you will be able to maximize your art improvement. Thanks for watching. And next time, we will be learning how to draw the shoulders.